From the moment the delivery driver danced along to my door chime, I knew this was going to be good. I don't normally review things on this channel, but I just had to review this. And you know me, it will be my honest opinion. It's the Cyrusher Kommoda e-bike. Why Cyrusher? It's a combination of cycle and Russia, not the country. I can't wait to ride on this thing. Let's do this. Right, so let's get this thing open. Very excited. Ow! Start again. Wow, it's quite heavy, but it's 90% assembled. Right, just give me 2 minutes to remove all of the packaging and I'll lay it out nicely right here. Ta-da! It doesn't look as many components when you take everything out of the box. So we've got these lovely fat tyres. I love these. The back tyre's already on. So all we really need to do is put the fat tyre on, put the handlebar on, the pedals, and supplied in the tools kit box, we've got a spanner, some hex keys, whatever that is, still don't know. I'll work it out. And a battery charger. Let's read the instructions. Nice instructions. Right, let's get cracking. Right, I think all I need to do now is flip it back over, put the pedals on, pump up the tyres, not the jam, the tyres, and then we're ready to go. Maybe. Right, and there we go. Looking good. I think this is the throttle. This thing that I didn't know what it was at the beginning. Doesn't appear to be attached. I think that's because it's a UK bike, and obviously with UK laws, you're not supposed to ride this on a public road. I'm not going on public roads, so I am going to wire this in. There's no instructions, unfortunately. There might be somewhere online, but I'm guessing it's this. I've attached the throttle here. Nice. I did have to move everything down slightly, but I think that's probably where it's supposed to be. And there we go. I think all that's left to do now is charge up the 48 volt, 14 amp hour battery, which is in here, and then we're good to go. Let's take it on the road. Nice. I think I'll start off by pedalling. If I can remember how to ride a bike. Ooh. Put it into eco mode. And it's moving. Let's press the throttle. Ooh. Ooh. Right, there we go. So we're on eco mode and we're doing 16 kilometers an hour. Let's bump it up to 2. That's low. We're now doing. Ooh. Oh, nice. Suspension's good. Just went over a bump. Right, we're doing 18 kilometers an hour. Let's put it in 3. It's probably quite windy. 20 kilometers an hour, I should say. Right, let's put it up to 4. Oh, that's 23 kilometers an hour. Here's another speed bump. Jesus Christ. And let's put it up to 5. Oh my god. And this is limited. 25 kilometers an hour. I'm going going to slow down now. Right, this looks exciting. Off-road. Let's do this. I'm not sure how fast I want to go down here. I'll tell you what, the suspension's fantastic. I mean, this is a bumpy road. It's taking it, no problem. I think the big fat tyres helped. And even though this motor is restricted, because we're boring in the UK, it's still pretty quick. I might have a go at unrestricting it though. Maybe, oh god, it's bloody uphead. I'm gonna go slowly through it. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Oh, I nearly fell off. I definitely don't want to be doing more than 25 kilometers an hour down here. But I could do on the private road. Well, I'll tell you what, first impressions of this, it's awesome. I absolutely love it. Who knew that an e-bike could be so much fun? A lovely view of the golf course too. I can't play golf. I can't do anything really. I can't even turn the bike round. Right, I think it's time to take off the throttle limitations. Let's see if we can work it out. Right, so as far as I know, this battery compartment here, you can undo it, take this out, maybe, no, that's it. And then down here, we've got what looks like 3 hex bolts. We undo those. I think the connector is in there. Right, I totally underestimated this job, so I had to bring it home. So what I had to do... Oh, great, the ice cream van's here. Anyway, right, ice cream van is going. So I had to remove the bottom of the battery connector, and then I had to remove, see those 3 bolts there? I had to remove this bit, so I could get access to this, which is the brains. Upside down brains. And as far as I know, it's this wire here. So when these 2 wires are connected together, that is the restriction. So if I disconnect them temporarily, obviously, because I'm not a rebel. There we go. Done. Let's put it back together and let's see if it's any faster. Here goes. Right, we're already at 27. Oh my god, we're already at 30 kilometers now. This is the fastest I've been. Oh my god. 30, 34. I'm getting mud spat at me. My glasses. 40. Bump. Oh, there's another bump here. I don't think I've got enough room. I'm not going over a bump at 40 kilometers an hour. Well, to conclude, I absolutely love this thing. I've got nothing to compare it to. I've never owned one before. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this. I think cost-wise, the retail price is over £2,000, but it is currently an offer as far as I know. I'll put everything down in the description below. If you can afford it, it's well worth it in my opinion. Don't know why I'm stood so awkwardly. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching. Stupid.